Welcome to the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, NASA's lead center for robotic exploration of the solar system. Here at JPL, we use the engineering design process to develop technologies that answer some of the most challenging questions and reveal some of the biggest mysteries in the universe. The engineering design process is essential to understanding the science of Earth, our solar system, and the universe. Without it, we could not build instruments and spacecraft to bring science data, and by extension new discoveries, back to Earth. Engineering is now an important piece of science education too. The next generation science standards offer a fundamental shift in the way science is taught by integrating engineering and technology into the classroom. With that shift, we've set forth to answer a few questions. What do the engineering standards mean? What do they look like at NASA? And what do they look like in the classroom? We'll break down each of the performance expectations in grades K through 12 and explain what they mean. You'll see what those standards look like in action at JPL so that your students can connect what they're learning to what engineers are doing as they develop NASA's next missions. We've also provided activities and lessons in each grade band that provide students practice in each area addressed by the engineering standards. In answering these questions, we hope to prepare you to develop the skills and practices the next generation of explorers will need to one day bring their talents to NASA and JPL.